We're on SAT Practice Test 4, Math, Section 1, Question 19. What's the level of difficulty here? It's hard. The first term of a sequence is 9. Each term after the first term is 4 times the preceding term. If W represents the nth term of the sequence, which equation gives W in terms of n? All right, guys, this problem is a plug-in. How do you know? It's got letters crawling in the problem. It's got letters crawling all over the answer choices. It says in terms of. These are all clues that you're plugging in. What are you looking for? You're looking for W, so write it down and circle it. This problem is also a function. It's like an old school function. Can you follow these directions? First term is 9. All right, 9. That's the first term. What's the second term? Well, it says each term after the first term is 4 times the preceding term. Can you follow directions? Can you do 9 times 4? You can do it. It's 36. You could stop here, but I like to do a few terms because I don't want more than one answer to look right. And if I do a few terms out, I'm less likely to see that. So what are you going to do with 36 to follow the directions? You're going to multiply it by 4. 36 times 4 is 144. I'm going to go one more term out, the fourth term. What do I do with 144? I multiply it by 4, and I get 576. All right, W represents the nth term. So I'm going to make the nth term 4, and that means that W is 576. So when I go to the answer choices, what am I looking for? W, 576. I'm going to write down A, B, C, D so I can cross off, and I'm just going to plug in the story I made. W equals 4 times n times 9 to the n, that's 9 to the 4. Okay, so you're going to plug that into your calculator. 9 to the 4 is 6561 times 4. Do you need to do that? No way, because it's definitely going to be way bigger than 576. B, 4 times 9 to the what? N minus 1. N is 4. So 9 to the 3. Okay? 9 to the third, put that in your calculator. That's 729 times 4. You need to do that? No, because it's going to be bigger than 576. Gone. All right, we're rolling. C, 9 times 4 to the what? 4 to the 4th. Okay, 4 to the 4th, that's 256. 9 times 256, you can ballpark this. It's not going to be 576, but if you want, it's 2,304. Obviously too big. Man, I hope D works. D says 9 times 4 to the what? N is 4 minus 1 to the third. All right, 4 to the third is 64, so that's 64 times 9. You throw that in your calculator, and what do you know? Look at that. It's 576. So the answer is D. Plug in, get it right, hard problem, move on.